because I don't know. I still want a long video. Okay, the things you can get for your birds are this. Larger birds love it. It's really fuzzy and soft. Tie it right to the back of your cage. Smaller birds, I wouldn't recommend it for like budgies and cocktails because they don't really like to cuddle as much. Depending on what type of cocktail you have. But budgies, definitely not. This thing has got little gems on it. A wooden bone. It's got bone type cloth things that are somewhat flexible. It's got little pieces here and that little cowbell type thing. Keeps them entertained. Another one is this. It's got little dice in it, and for larger birds, this is used for like cocktails and stuff. Anything bigger than a cocktail. It presents them with a challenge. Larger birds like to solve puzzles, and once they get to something, they won't stop till it's done. So these little dice in here, they'll try to get it out, and they're not gonna get it out because it stays in there. Unless you have like a larger bird, it can like snap the plastic. It's got two different sounding bells, a high one and a low one. I think I'll show you the breeding box in the last video if you've watched it. And something you can do for your birds is like keep not all the toys and all in one bunch. Keep it like to the sides of a perch, not so much like right in the middle because they'll get a bit freaked out. Okay, and I made a couple shoutouts. Amanda, Stupid Mario Brothers fan, SMB Crazy Fan 721, 71, and she's pretty cool. Check out her channel. I'll have the link to her channel in the description. And shout out to Wildlife Guardian and Good Bird Inc. I think that's Irina and Snowball. Snowball's an amazing cockatoo. You have to check out their channel. Like, it's a must-see channel. So, like I said, my channel's a sub for sub channel. You sub to me, I'll sub to you. So.